Hello, my name is Ingrid Acosta. I am a student in a child pedagogy at the University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Today I want to tell about the effects of technology on the environment and how we can afford mitigating these effects. It is no secret to anyone that technology is a tool that has made our lives easier but at the same time has caused a progressive deterioration on the environment. Degrading our natural resources every day due to the environment impacts of technological work. The pollution produced in the obtaining treatment of many raw materials of energy sources, and the waste generated in many industrial activities, which means that its global development will continue to grow exponential without sustained environmental. Our needs will and face with more intense, frequent and unpredictable climate phenomena such as the temperature is higher, the sea level higher than few years ago, the poles are disappearing, and the quality of the food goods drastically contracted. Colombia will be one of the countries most affected of the world because of the Taiwan, the EU, our country is the most vulnerable nation in the world in the face of the climate change. So what can we continue to save our planet? Reduce the use of water, energy and plastic. Consume less meat with less food and commit to sustainable salt management. Use meat of public transportation or you can use the bike. Use biodegradable products. Be aware we should do education the new generation. They care of our planet. It needs us new. Bye bye.